Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show. And I've got either something you'll love, or you'll hate, or you don't care. This is something that I ran across. I'm always looking for things to show you, things that I think will be interesting, either radios or radio equipment type things like antennas, or things on the internet like radios on the internet. I ran across this yesterday and I got it via a users group. I belong to about 100 users groups on the internet that are related to radios and electronics and that stuff. And so I get 800 emails a day from those groups and from you guys and from other sources. Well, one of the emails had a link to this webpage, and it looked kind of interesting because, yeah, I'm an old fart, and I remember listening to radios when there really wasn't even TV and listening to radio shows. Well, this is an archive of one thing, there's many things, is radio shows and radio programs. As you can see in this collection, and there are many, like you look up here, there's web, I'm not sure what that is, there's videos, there's audio, there's software, old software that you can download, images. But I'm looking at um, radio shows. And in this group, there's 4.8 million entries. A million. Whoa. And these are all the shows, and this list goes on forever, that you can listen to on the internet. Like if you were a fan of Jack Benny, I wasn't particularly. Um, and there's Art Bell. It just in general, this is a radio station archived their broadcast, and it just goes on and on and on. I'm trying to find another show that I actually liked to listen to as a kid. Um, Long Ranger. I listened to that a little bit, but that got old in a hurry. I mean, there's so many of them. I can't find one of my favorites. It's in here. I just can't find it because so many. I can't find it. There's Groucho Marx. I didn't care for him. There's Secrets of Scotland Yard. I don't even remember that. Huh. That might be interesting. Again, these are old radio shows and some new ones too. There's the famous Computer Cafe. I have no idea what that was. So you see, there is tons of these. I mean, 4.8 million. So you could spend a lot of time going through this, and you can do searches so you don't have to go through it manually like I'm doing here. Oh, that's Red Skelton was one of my favorite TV shows. Yep. Stories of Sherlock Holmes. Okay, we did enough of that. So let's go back up. And the website is, and I'll try to get up here. The website is archive.org. And this I'm at /details/radio programs. That's just one of the places that this Internet Archive has. Another one, and I'll just click on it, software. So we can look at all software and look at this stuff. And here's a software library for a C64. I think I still got a C64 somewhere in my mess. We just click on this. This has got 98,000 items. And here's games. We just click on that one. Just randomly picking them. And I guess this, trying to find a game that even looks familiar. Oh boy, this is going back a while. Silent Service. Yes, I played that game. I clicked on that, and I wonder if you can play it. Just click to begin. Okay, it's downloading an emulator. So you can play it online, apparently. It's amazing. Let's go back. Dug myself a hole here. Windows desktop themes for Windows version 3.1, 95, and others. I'm old enough that I went through a complete series of versions of Windows. And they were getting better and better up until Windows 11, and I don't think Windows 11, that what I've seen of it, because I don't have it installed, is much better than Windows 10. But unfortunately, they've stopped supporting Windows 10. So I may have to go to 11. There's Atari 7800. I had an Atari, but I don't think it was 7800. Anyway, let's go back. I did something I didn't show you. Go back to software. Go back to software. All software. 1.3 million entries here. So this is, like I say, you're going to love or hate this website, because you might hate it because you get so enthralled in it, you just waste your whole day. Now, I don't watch TV anymore. It's just useless. There's so many commercials. I timed a 1 hour newscast about a month ago just to see how much news there was. And in 1 hour, 60 minutes, there was over half of it was commercials. 30 minutes, over 30 minutes was commercials. Another 25% was broadcast of reports, the exact same report that had been done the previous day. So it was a total duplicate. So out of the 1 hour, I think I got about 5 or 10 minutes of new news. The rest of it was commercials, and repeats. So I quit watching TV. My wife watches TV 24/7. I just don't watch TV. And if I do watch TV at all, I watch a recorded version. I even record the news so that I can fast forward through all the commercials. That's how bad it's gotten for me. Okay, so much for that. But you gotta check this out. At least check it out. They're not interesting. I mean, you can spend a lot of time. I saw this one. I go, Lafayette Radio. I remember Lafayette Radio. Well, this turns out it's a station in Lafayette, California. So that was a little misleading. All right, I'm through babbling. Tell me what you think. You think you'd be interested in this, or you think this is just wasting your time? If you enjoyed the show, please give me a thumbs up. I don't want to waste your time, so I don't want to do shows to waste your time. Have a great day. Bye-bye.